Established in 2019, the School of Law at Sister Nivedita University offers undergraduate law courses of BA LLB Honours, BCom LLB Honours, BBA LLB Honours and LLB. Apart from these programs, the School of Law also offers postgraduate program of LLM with specialization in corporate laws and criminal laws. The school also offers PhD in law. Starting from its initial days, the school has always focused on the holistic growth of its students, and along with theory classes, the school also provides various kinds of simulation opportunities for its students through moot court exercises, drafting workshops, other visits to courts and tribunals of the country, meeting legal experts through master classes. The School of Law is proud to have its Legal Aid Society, through which the students of the school go for various legal awareness campaigns in different parts of the state. Apart from its legal aid clinic, the school also has a moot court society, and students are given moot court exercises and they participate in various moot court competitions. Students have also made us proud by winning various accolades in various moot court competitions, debate competitions, quiz competitions across the state. The School of Law is always thoughtful about the holistic growth of its students and hence encourages its students also to undertake legal research and present their papers in various national and international conferences. Students of the school have participated in these competitions and made us proud.